Elements in a design frequently need to be labeled to help better designate the type of data that the element represents. The Place Label tool does this by placing label cells that are used to describe elements. If the label cell definition contains text fields, the fields will be updated based on the individual element being labeled, including any attached item data. The label cell can maintain association to the element. The Place Label tool will be used to label kitchen equipment that was previously attached with item types. Continuing in the proposed restaurant DGN file, let's ensure that the level A Equipment Identification is the active level. We'll then navigate the view to the kitchen area, specifically the range and griddles near column B4. Our task here is to label the kitchen equipment. So we'll make the active tool Place Label. We'll then come into the Tool Settings window and set the method to be Place a Label with Leader. The cell name will be Equipment ID Label. The dimension style will be Equipment Label. We'll be starting at the terminator. The horizontal attachment will be set to automatic. The annotation icon will be enabled. And let's make sure that the two options for associations will be enabled. Then we'll come into the view and we'll snap to the range and griddle to define the start point of the leader. This also associates the note, updating the text field with the respective property. Now we can bring the cursor down and issue another data point to place the note. As can be seen, there are two range and griddles here, so let's go ahead and label the other fixture. From here, we'll just continue to go down the wall, labeling each of the fixtures. And when complete, we'll press Reset. Hint: as an option, you can place a label without a leader. Our next task is to place callouts for the kitchen refrigerators. For this, we'll set the following options in the Tool Settings window. For the method, this will be Place a Label without Leader. And the cell name will be Equipment ID Callout. Using Center Snap, we're going to issue a data point selecting Refrigerator 4A. As such, the callout is placed. We just need to repeat this for the remaining 3 refrigerators, placing the callouts. So our effort here continues, where we are going to be placing labels for the remaining kitchen equipment. So let's select the Place Label tool again. In the Tool Settings window, we'll set the method to Place a Label with Leader. The cell name will be Equipment ID Label. The dimension style will be Equipment Label. And then, as such, we'll go ahead into the view here. From here, we'll just continue to go down the wall, labeling each of the fixtures. Navigating the view over to the other half of the kitchen, we'll continue our effort here of placing labels on the remainder of the kitchen equipment. In order to make way for the washer-dryer callout, we're going to select the Move tool. From here, we'll select the janitor room name, and we'll just relocate this to make way for the washer-dryer callout. Then, like the refrigerators, we're going to utilize the Center Snap mode to place this callout for the washer-dryer. And again, we'll use the Center Snap to place the callout for the ice maker machine that we have here. And with labeling that ice maker machine, as such, this will be the last callout for all the kitchen equipment. In this lesson, you learned how to work with the Place Label tool that utilized a label cell to quickly produce a standardized callout that exposed properties of kitchen equipment.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.